Dear tomorrow, if you find this letter before I arrive, please tell today not to give up on me. Please tell today that I know what it feels like to carry a smile on my face while my heart is fighting battles no one can see. Tell today that tears are not always a sign of weakness. Sometimes they are proof that a soul has refused to surrender. I have learned that storms do not ask for permission. They simply arrive. They shake our homes, our plans, our confidence, and sometimes even our faith. But I've also learned this. No storm has ever signed a permanent lease in anyone's life. Morning has a habit of arriving, even after the longest night. To the one who feels forgotten, your story is not over. To the one who believes they have failed, failure is a chapter, not the title of your life. To the one who has stopped praying because heaven feels silent, silence does not mean absence. Some seeds grow where no eyes can see. Perhaps while you were crying, God was planting. While you were waiting, He was preparing. While you thought you were being buried, you were actually being planted. So, I say to you, stand again, dream again, love again, believe again. Because one day, I say one day, you will be the answer to a prayer you almost stopped praying. And when that day comes, you must write your own letter to tomorrow. Sign it with hope, because hope never expires. I thank you.